Hi there, Poppin PJ here, and I'm going to show you how to make a key holder, a tool holder, coat holder, whatever kind of holder you want to call it, but we're going to make it out of pallet wood, so let's get to it. So in order to do this project, we are going to need some wood, and so I'm going to use this wood here that I have left over, pallet wood. I'm going to now measure for the length of the coat holder, key holder piece that I'm going to be making. Woohoo! I'm excited. Using my square to make the lines. And now I'm going to be using my circular saw to make the simple cuts. I was a little shy of the line, so I'm going to cut that part off. Using my Black & Decker sander here, and going to sand off the piece. I like easy, and flat edge pieces are so much easier to sand. It goes by very quickly, making sure to get all of the sides sanded smoothly. Pallet wood is actually really nice when you get it all sanded. It looks totally different. And here it is, all nicely sanded. Here is a closer look at the grain of the wood now that it has been sanded. So I purchased these wall-mounted coat hooks that I'm going to be placing on the pallet wood. They make me think of eyebrows, I guess because Halloween's not that far away. Taking measurements of the wood because I need to find center in order to know how I want to place the coat hooks. You've got to have hooks for a coat, key, or tool holder. I'm spacing the hooks about 3 inches apart and about 1 inch from the top of the piece. First row of screws going into the hooks. I love this side of the piece of wood because of that big knot hole. I think it gives it character. Drilling the holes. Changing the bit to a Phillips screwdriver. Doing the monkey. Second row of screws going into the hooks. Look at it. It was so easy to do and it looks beautiful. And it's going to be totally functional. My friend Rob here is assisting me with drilling the holes all the way through the wood because it's going to go into the drywall. And this wood is pretty tough, as I have mentioned in other videos, and he just has the better hand and strength to do it. And here it is hung up. It looks great. It has my keys, my jacket, and my tools that I want hung up there. It works perfect in my little workstation here with the pallet board shelf that I made as well. I like it. It's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.